Hello everybody, welcome to Ribera's Kitchen. My name is Yasumi. Since I have Turkish background and know about the Turkish foods, so let me introduce you some recipes of this cuisine. In this context, we will make bowls of wheat groats called bulgur and lentils. And this recipe can be prepared very good as a salad and served as a main dish too. And I think it fits perfectly to vegans and vegetarians. If you are curious, then keep watching and let's start it. Let's put a glass of lentils, it's about 200 grams, in a saucepan. Add 400 ml water into. Let the lentils cook until they soften. Cut a bunch of fresh parsley for later. We will need onions too. For this, I cut 2 fresh onions. And 1 big onion. Check the lentils, and they still need to cook. Fry the onion with a bit olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon paprika paste called salca and 1 tablespoon tomato paste into the pan. Let's go to the seasoning. Therefore, I add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red pepper, and 1 teaspoon cumin. And by the way, some additional information for you, you can find the recipes, the whole ingredients, in the video description as well. So, the lentils cook properly and let the water reduce. And they are well cooked and still have some water in it, which is necessary for the wheat groats called bulgur to soak together. We mix the lentils and bulgur together well. As you can see here, the bulgur groats are very finely granulated. And let the pot stand with the lid closed for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, take the mixture in a deep and large bowl. Add the prepared red sauce into the bowl. and knead it well. By the way, watch out, it's still too hot, but we have to go through there. When we notice that it's still too dry and not quite doughy, so then add some warm water in it. Lentils and bulgur feed the water, they love water. And continue kneading. You can never knead enough. The consistency must be sticky. I season again. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper into. Three tablespoons olive oil makes the whole thing tasty and the consistency softer. After that, we have to keep kneading. Now, add the other ingredients. Knead well together. It is still dry to me. There can be more olive oil and some water in it. You have to regulate this according to your feeling. If you add more oil and water, it doesn't matter. The stickier the mess, the better. Of course, it shouldn't be too matched. I want it to be a little spicier, so we'll add some chilli in it. After, achieve the consistency and the taste, so we will finish and can make small balls. Knead the pieces one by one into a small oblong shape. And that's it. If you like my channel, then subscribe it and let your feedback. I'm looking forward to it. And when you activate the bell, you can notified of the new videos. And cucumber tomato salad fits perfectly to the high protein balls. Olive oil when serving as a topic rounds off the whole thing. So we are at the end now. See you next time and thanks for watching. Bye!